this is not a discussion session, this is a debate session and this is a talk show. And here we will talk controversial. I will give you a topic controversial. You will have to put your views one by one. And this is a wonderful session and very interesting session. And today we will participate in a discussion show and a talk show. So first you will have to put your views strongly, okay? So guys, and remember, we have very interesting topic, time versus money, which is better to have. So guys, if we talk about time, we know very well time is also very important for us. And if we talk about money, so you know about money. Money is very important. Without money, we can't survive in the world. So guys, now you will have to put your views strongly on the topic. Let's start now. So let's start from Sanjana. Yes, you, Sanjana, put your views.
Sir, I think time is better than money, and time is very important for us because we can't get it back, and money is also well important for us, but money can't buy time.
Harind, okay.
This is Harindpal in front of you, and we are going to discuss on the topic. And topic is that and time versus money. So according to me, in the time, money is very essential, and money is very essential in our life. And we can say money is not everything, but money is something, and there is a hope and there is a dream in everybody's life. So and everybody has to earn money and fulfill his desire, and by hook and crook. And in this time, people are rush after earning money.
People are running.
People are rush after earning money.
Okay. So as Harind told, everybody is running after the money, and everybody wants to earn money by hook and by crook. So okay. So yes, Akanksha, what do you think about it?
I think we have money, so we can't budge life, happiness. So I think time is very important. We can't budge life and happiness we can't budge life, happiness to money. So I think time is very important.
Yeah, we can't get happiness, we can't get sleep, we can't get pleasure by money. So time is important, not money is important. Okay, yes, Jitin, what do you think?
Sir, money is most important because in this time, in present time, everybody can buy pleasure. Everything can buy.
So by using money, everybody can buy pleasure.
Yes, pleasure.
And defend himself. Who will defend Jitendra? He is saying by using money, by money we can get pleasure, we can earn pleasure. Yes, Sib, what do you think?
According to me, time is the best. Time is very important for in our life. Money is lost to money is not come. Time is lost to time it's not come. Money is lost to money is come in our future. So time is lost, time is not coming in every time.
Yeah,
so time is the most.
Very good, fantastic. And Sib said, lost time never come back. If time has lost, then it will never come. If money has lost, then we can earn money. Money can be earned, but time can't be earned. Yes. What do you think, sir? What is your opinion?
First of all, to give me wonderful opportunity. So we are discuss time versus money.
Okay.
So money is better than time.
Okay. So money is need, not time is not need. And team B is in favor of money. So, okay, and team A is in favor of time. Okay, sir, what do you think? Yes, please hold it. Yes.
Time is very important part in our life because time is not waiting for anyone.
Yeah. Time is very important part for our life. Okay. Yes, Varsha. Yes.
Time is very important because then money. Time is never comes, but money is all time.
Okay, money. Okay, so yes, Pushpender, yes.
According to me, money is better than time because people have money, so people have do anyways, and people have time, but people have not money, so people are not do anyways.
Okay. So guys, now put your views strongly. This is not a discussion session. This is a talk show and debate show. And here, I expect to everyone put your views strongly and give more examples so that your thing may be clear. Now I have created a situation in front of you. Okay. Now I have created a situation in front of you. If God has appeared before you, God has appeared before you, and He says. बेटा वरदान मांग लो and he is ready to give blessing, and he said a life he can give only two kind of blessings. Okay, a life of 25 years with money, and second one, a life of hundreds of years without money. Yes, Sanjana, what would you choose? A life for 25 years with money, and a life for 100 years without money.
Sir, I will choose a life of 100 years with, a life of 25 years without money.
A life of 25 years with money, and a life of hundreds of years without money. What would you choose? What would you choose?
So I will choose a life of 100 years without money.
A life of 100 years without money. Why you would choose?
Sir, because we have time of 100 years, so we can earn money more and more. But we have only 25 years with money, so it is very short time, and 100 years is very long time.
Okay, guys. So what would you choose? Yes, sir.
I would like to choose that. I would like to choose 20 years life with money.
Okay, 25 years. Why you would like to choose 25 years life with money?
Because we will visit all things in 20 years, and we will have money, so we will do anything.
So you want to spend your life luxurious?
Yes, luxurious.
No, not like beggars.
Yes, sir.
If we have a life of hundreds years, but we don't have money, so we have to spend our life in difficulties, in hurdles, and that life will be boring. But if we have only 25 years life, but we have money, so we can get pleasure, we can enjoy our life, because without money we can't survive. Okay, so team B is in favor of money. Yes. And sir, what kind of life would you choose?
100 years.
Hundreds of years. So you are favoring in time. That is not a money matter.
Yes.
Okay, so now you change. Okay. Yes, Bharat Verma.
100.
What do you think? Hundreds of years. And time is important or money is important? What would you think?
According to me,
What do you think? Yes.
time is very important.
Time is very important than
Yes,
money.
yes, sir.
Why do you think time is very important than money?
Because if we don't have time, we have nothing.
Okay, so we have nothing. Okay, and Piyush, what do you think? Yes.
According to me, money is very important. Do you have money? So people are doing respect for you. You have no money, so people are doing no respect for you.
Okay, so yeah, very good. बहुत भी बढ़िया, शानदार, fantastic. Piyush Yadav raised a very nice point. If we have money, people give respect, and that means. If we have money, then people give respect. If we don't have money, people don't give respect. So okay, yes. Who will defend him? Who will give the answer of this question? Yes, Abhijit. If we have money, people give respect. If we don't have money, people don't give respect. Yes, what do you think about it? Yes, please.
According to me, if we have money,
and okay, so yes, answer of this question, people have money, then people give respect. Okay.
So
This is true. You also believe?
yes,
You strongly believe on this fact?
yes, I am believing in this fact. Money is have to everything is everybody respect you. Money, millionaire boy. So if we are don't time, you are getting job in our country. You have not come in your wasted your time in your family. What is the money? Money is not important. Time is important for in our life. Your mother is to be study for you. You not wasted enough time in your family. What is your money? Money is not important for our life. Time is important for our life.
Yes, time is important. Yes, who will? Yes.
I agree to your point, but we have no money, so we can't enjoy in the life. If we have a lot of money, so we can fulfill our desire, like whatever. Just if we want to go and we want to visit anywhere, we have a money, so we can visit easily. But you have no money, but you have a time, so you can't visit anywhere. Okay.
Okay, so now if we talk about beggars, they have a lot of time. But they don't have money. So that they begs. Why they are begging the things? Because they don't have money. They have time. And so many people are there in our country who have lot of time, but they don't have money. And the people who committed crime by earning money, and at any cost they can do anything. They can kidnap the people, they can hijack the plane, they can commit murder also for earning money, because people want to earn money at any cost and they are running behindly by earning money. So yes, what do you think? Time is important, really time is important, or money is important? Yes, Sanjana.
So writing time and money both important in our life.
Okay. So both important. Without both, we can't survive in the world. Yes, ma'am. Yes, conclude it. Time is important or money?
Time is very important.
And what do you think about beggars? They need money or they need time?
Suppose that they have not money. They have not money, but time is very lot of time, and they have not money.
Okay, for not money. Yes, yeah, here. Yes.
If we have lot of time but we have no money, so we can't enjoy our life. So we have to earn money. I think as you ask, God will give you 25 year or 100 year. I think 25 year sufficient. Yes, my choice is 25 year is sufficient for our life. Because in present time people alive till 15 or 16 year, so they can enjoy their life by 20 year with money. Thank you.
Okay, very good. So if we have money, then we can enjoy our life in 25 years, and that will be wonderful life. Okay, so guys, that is very interesting and very nice topic which we have discussed, and I think this is a never-ending topic. Now I conclude the topic by saying few lines. So you have seen, guys, so many people are there. They say they are very busy. They don't have time, but they have money. They have a lot of money, and they can't give the time to their family members. They can't give the time to their friends, because if we talk about businessmen, they have lot of money. They don't know how much money they have, but they have no time. So time is a very important thing, and it is very nice proverb. Time is money. Time is money. This is really right, and I also believe really time is money. First, our priority is to get a time, and everybody should utilize that time. The people who can utilize the time, he can earn a lot of money. But if we don't utilize our time, then that's the very great problem. And I am not denying from this fact money is not important. Along with money is also very important, because without money we can't survive in the world. The people who gets up early in the morning and he or she wants to get anything, he or she wants to purchase anything else, then we need money. So in this world, and we are living in 21st century, in this world, money is really very, very important for us. Without money we can't survive, and without time we can't survive. So I think both the things are really important for us. So thank you so much. And guys, really I would like to appreciate because you all are precious, and whenever you participate in debate show or a talk show, put your views strongly, and don't think much what you are speaking or what you are not speaking. If you think you are speaking right or you are speaking wrong, so you'll be confused, and you are not able to speak English fluently. So first your priority to speak in English, then we will improve everything. Okay guys, so thank you. Now clap for yourself.